guys are adjusting their wheel. Keep rolling unless you want to adjust yours. If you want to adjust yours, pull over to the inside like they are. If you're good, just keep going. If you adjust yours, make sure you pull to the bottom to get out of the way. Don't stop in the middle of the racetrack right there. Stops in the middle of the fucking racetrack. We sure you can hear me? He said he could. All right, bud, go ahead and get caught up here. Tail end of your group's getting into one. Just to make sure, Jerry, you can still hear the spotter. He answer you? Jerry, you still got a copy on me up here, bud? Jerry, you got a copy up here? Jerry, how about you? You got a copy? Not answering me. I don't feel too good about this, to be perfectly honest with you. Jerry, you got a copy on us? All right, we're running pit road this time. Be second gear, 4001 red. If you can hear me when you go by the pit stall, I'll tell you to wave. Be looking for his hand out, boys, if you can hear us or not. All right, come on, get up there with these guys. Second gear, 4001 red. At the line now. 4001 red, 10 away. Wave at the box if you can hear me in 5, 4, 3, 2. Wave if you hear me. All right, he waved. We can't hear you at all, bud, so I just got to make sure that you got a copy on me. If at any point you don't hear me, you need to come down the pit road because I can keep you safe and out of trouble. Pit road speed looks good. 46 in the last segment, so we may need to back it down. Coming back to 1 to go here. Go ahead and have him flip the brake fans on at the start finish line when you take 1 to go. It's going to happen at some point, right? So we need to make sure we hold the line of where you're at, get up towards the wall on the front stretch because that'll really help your whole corner, right? Make sure you got good brakes on this thing. You use enough brake to slow down. You'll have some rabbits in front of you. But being on the top side about where you are now with your left sides on the bottom set of hatches, that'll be a good line to run to give the leaders to bottom when they get to you. That way you stay out of the way. If you're down on the bottom and you miss the corner and you slide up the racetrack and you wreck a leader, it's going to be a bad deal. So we'll need to make sure that preferably we give them the bottom and you put your left sides on the bottom sets of hashes. All right, we're coming back to the green. Stay in line till you get to the line. I think we're outside lane. We inside. Yeah, you'll want to be up just like that, yep. And then kind of start turning back to the bottom just a little so that way you get your angle. Not too much, you need to leave them a lane, but if you kind of, round your corner and then straighten out your exit, it'll help you out here. So Come to the green, bud. Have fun. Brake fans on. All blue switches on. 2 cars away. Be ready. Stay in the top lane so you get to the start finish. Be ready here. Leaders at the line in 3, 2, 1, and green, 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 green. All rolling. All rolling. Get up towards the wall here. You're going to have some laps to get comfortable because you're by yourself, so get back up towards the wall more. All right, no pressure. All out front. All the way to the wall. All the way to the wall. Get closer to the wall. Hold another lane. Hold another lane to your right, then you start turning off into the corner about here. Aim for this orange box right here. That'll really help everything out. Okay, let's get comfortable and get going here, bud, so that we make sure that we make minimum speed here. All the way to the wall. There you go. You can even go a little bit more. Keep following the wall till you get to about here, then you'll turn off down in. Your lap time's at 26:20, 24:80 ahead of you. Leaders are in the middle of 1 and 2. There you go. Up towards the wall. Follow the wall longer. Follow it longer. Even more than you'll tone in about here. 25:90, 24:70 ahead. Leader at the start finish. Closer to the wall and follow that wall even longer down, get down in here. That'll even help you when we start running the top because the leaders are going to beat you in a couple, 3 laps. 25:80, 24:70 ahead. Up towards the wall. Keep looking for more speed here. Leaders are into 3, so when they get to you, let's run that second lane. Follow the wall all the way through here. You're starting to fall off into here. Yep, keep digging on it, bud. More speed here. Up towards the wall, follow the wall till you get to where the concrete changes color here. Start working on setting your left side on the bottom set of hashes. That way you give the leaders the bottom. Run that second lane down here so that you're used to it. That's good. You need to run that same lane in 1 and 2. Stay up there more through the corner. You kind of cut across the bottom there. 15 back to the leaders. Run your left side on the white line here, so you need to be 2 lanes higher right there earlier. Pretend that the bottom set of hashes is the bottom of the racetrack. Leave a lane to the bottom. All right, rolling outside here. Don't wash up, just stay to the bottom. Another one coming outside. There's going to be about a 5 gap behind this one. You're clear here. 3 back to the next one, coming outside. Don't wash off the bottom. You got to stay on the yellow line. Another one coming outside. Outside. 5 gap here. Just stay where you're at. Don't move your line. Don't move your line. Outside. Try and keep your speed up as best you can without washing off the bottom. I think we're going to be faster if we can run the top. You're pinched down too much there. Stay to the bottom though. We got 2 more coming to you. The 1 and the 11 outside. Clear 2 to the next one here. Coming outside. After the 11, you can move up to run that top line. I think you can run faster. back to the top. Another one coming here. They're all lined up here outside. Still out there. Even when you're letting them by, you can run up a little bit higher so you have more entry getting in here. Still outside.
An official just said you got to pick up the pace or we're going to get parked.
Still out there. Another one coming outside. Leave a lane up there. Still out there. All right, next time by we have to pit because we're not carrying enough speed. Still outside. We'll have one opportunity to get faster or they're going to park us. So you got to roll pit road, stop in the box, and then make a quick change or just roll again. Coming outside, you're clear here. So we need to pit this time. Still outside, a whole bunch of them. Stay low here. They're too wide behind you. Stay low. Stay low. Still outside. We're going to pit here. We're going to pit here. Nice and easy getting in. Pit here. Next time by. Still lined up out there. We need to pit this time by, Jerry. Still out there. Pit this time. Pit this time. Be second gear.
Don't slide them. Just doing track more.
Just keep coming. Second gear, 4,000 now. Nice and easy to box. Don't slide them. We are 10 away. Be looking left in 5, 4, 3, 2. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Clear to the wall, clear. Go, go. All clear. One red, 4,000.
All the way to the wall here. One red, 4,000. I'll tell you when you can go. One red, 4,000 all the way to the yellow line. We'll blend the middle of the backstretch at the line now. Okay, go ahead and start picking it up. Just run the bottom like you were before. The whole field's going to roll by. Still outside. Get your speed up down there. Still outside. Get that speed going here. Still out there. Still outside. Still outside. Just run that line, but we need more speed here. Still lined up to the top. Still out there. Still out there. Still outside. All right, we need to pit again here. We need to pit again here. Need to pit again. If you can't make it this time, we'll pit next time. Still outside. Still out there.
Dude, just take to the garage, DJ. We'll look everything over.
Yep, take him. Take him to the garage.
Stay to your bottom here. That black flag's for us. We need to pit this time. Still out there. Clear here. We need to pit this time and go to the garage. All right, so come on down pit road. Will be your first opening, I think is how we get back there. Keep coming here. Looking left, right here. Right here. Think you can hear me, to be honest. I'm sorry, I don't know what else I could have done.
Thanks for all your help. DJ, just look it over.